I got subpoenaed.
Thanks, Daddy.
Jesus. Whoa!
Are you gonna sleep here tonight? Come on!
We're done!
Hey girl, how you doing? You little dirty girl. Time to go get your bottle refilled. Little baby needs her bottle refilled. Come on. These have got to be my favorite errands to run. Filling up a nitrous bottle and getting new tires. So it's 5:30 right now. The nitrous shop and the tire shop both close at 6. I'm gonna drop Sean off right now in order to get these tires mounted. Fortunately, they had some in stock. We must have called like 20 different places. While he gets those mounted, I'm gonna go run over to the nitrous supply store to get the bottle filled and kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Good hustle. I'm gonna leave you here. Don't get lost. Real quick, while I head out, I want to show you guys the wheels. These are some Weld racing wheels. We try to get chrome, but they're polished, you know, because chrome is a lifestyle. But I'm running a 15 by 4.5 in the front. Go ahead, and a 15 by 8 in the rear with a 4.5 back space. Let's go fill up this bottle. It's like a fun playground. Weighing my girl.
Yeah, you got about 5 pounds in there, so all you need is 5 pounds.
Sweet. So use half of it.
And then 15, 19, still insert. Alrighty, see all the paperwork taken care of.
Sweet.
And have you bottled this before?
Yes, I have. You guys filled up the last one. And next time I'm here, I promise I will use the whole thing. So we'll be doing a 10-pound fill up. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
I'll see you soon.
Alrighty, have a good one.
You too. Made it with just a few moments to spare. Hey, how's it coming along?
We're done.
Sweet, on the way.
All right, cool.
See you soon. Hey man,
We'll trade tires for a ride.
looks like you need a ride there.
No, I got a ride.
Yeah, wheels, no chassis.
Yeah, right?
Make that happen 30 minutes before 6. Yeah, these guys helped out and nitrous supply helped out. So now you guys can finally see the wheels. Some used Weld racing. Don't mind the holes on these. These are a 4-man beadlock.
I feel like it would just shred the tire, wouldn't it?
Oh, absolutely. These spin once, they'll just put a tear through the whole thing.
It's cool they have like some like old school looking tires. They look good.
The white lettering looks good too.
That's what I meant by the old school tires.
Okay.
Cool. Glad we're on the same page.
All right, let's load her up. So no paid promotion or anything, paid full price for these tires, but huge thank you to Allen's Tire Company for staying open, not only staying open, but also having the tires that we needed in stock, which was very hard to find, and also nitrous supplies, but now this is getting a little pluggy. Dude, we should throw these on the Prius.
Good. You know you need to turn this into a drag build one day.
I want to.
Like you have to.
I want to LS swap this thing more than life. The funny thing is, this is the same tire size that's on the Prius now.
A little beefy in the back there, but yeah.
Minus the bolt pattern, these would actually fit. They're 15s. Raise suspension in the rear a little bit. Stack some spacers on that.
It would look sick if your Prius sat high enough where that back tilt was flat, you know?
I know.
Don't even like build it or anything, just leave it as a stock Prius, but just raise it and put big ass tires so people think it's something.
I love it. And some underglow. I'm doing it. Or inner glow.
Well, yeah, you should interglow it too.
So we just found out some pretty bad news. We'll see how bad it is once we get to the shop.
Pull the motor?
Pull the motor.
We don't know what it is.
No, we know what it is. We just don't know if it's like Dunzo or not. I'm talking cryptic. We'll find out soon. I got the groceries in the back. Nitrous is attached. On our way to sheer performance. Gonna...
I can't help you out on this one. It's a 0-1 man show on this.
Hey, comment below if you guys can finish that wrap. Tell us the deal.
Give it to me straight.
Yeah.
Apparently, when we were hitting it with nitrous the other day,
Officer, it wasn't me.
and it only had first gear, it's because it only had first gear.
Left.
Yes, left.
Left.
Okay. God, this engine's not happy.
We're gonna need to put trans in it.
So I guess we can't run with the trans that's in the car now.
If you want to do 25 miles an hour.
I mean, we kind of thought we had blown something when we were driving because like it wouldn't shift and I couldn't really move it except into, I mean, reverse worked, but we can't reverse down the drag strip.
25 miles an hour.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to figure something out there.
Well, in the meantime, today at least, we're going to weld the diff and swap out one of the gears.
It's the fun stuff.
The fun stuff. The stinky, smelly, nasty, disgusting, want to pull your hair out stuff. Yes.
Awesome.
I'm into that.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want to see the tires we got?
Yeah. Let's do it.
Well, we're gonna
Something
weld the
exciting.
diff and we got some new tires, but that sucks about the trans, but we'll figure something out. Oh geez, right there. We were trying to blow something and we blew the trans. We couldn't blow the motor with a 250 shot, but we blew the trans. I guess those really are bulletproof.
We'll find out if we change the trans again.
Hardly bulletproof. So basically the trans was just to begin with. How can you see that the trans is bad?
So you can't see anything here. It's full of fluid. The cable's working for the TV. This is a turbo 200, 3-speed. And when I pulled the stick, there was chunks in the fluid.
Are you serious? So like we blew this trans.
Fried it.
Fried it.
See the chunkiness?
Yep. I see it.
I mean, it even smells bad.
Does it taste bad too?
I'm not going that.
So on the topic of QA1 suspension, look at that. A full QA1 kit on this. This is sick. Whoa.
Looks beefy.
Yeah.
Those look good.
They do look good. That's heavy.
Am I gonna make you lift this up?
Actually, I've been working out lately.
I can tell.
Dustin Williams style. Look out, you got competition. So I'm gonna see if I can lift this. This is called the clean press.
I'm impressed. On the tippy toes.
Sweet. So we're probably gonna have to run a spacer then.
That's what it looks like.
But whatever, it's not a big deal. I run spacers on the drift car. Everyone's like, don't run spacers. And I'm like, I'm doing it anyways.
Can you just talk in that voice for the rest of the day?
Okay. But these look actually really good.
What, the tires?
Not the tires, the wheels.
Oh, well I got the tires, so.
You were in charge of those and you did good, kid. But yeah, this looks great. Right off the bat, we got some fucking drag wheels for Mimi. The clearance isn't too terrible, but we never centered the diff. At least that's what Sandy said. I personally have never done that, but here he comes with spacers. Oh, it just hits the coilover bottom, huh?
I didn't see that, I was just looking at the frame.
It's tight. There we go. Oh, look at that fitment. Damn, Grandma. Cheers to blowing the trans with NOS. This is Nitro Mango. I should have shotgunned it, huh?
Honestly, it's the cringiest thing I ever seen. Like, stop doing that. I can't even watch it. Like, I can watch like bones breaking and like blood
Really?
gushing, and you shotgunning a Red Bull's like, it's so gross.
No, I know you're dead serious about
This
this
is
too.
weird.
And the even better thing is because you dislike it so much, I want to keep doing it.
It's your liver.
Just did a quick nut and bolt on the suspension. This will be fun. Dropping the diff drain in the fluid and swapping out some gears and then welding it and then roasting tires. All right, ready to rock and roll. Oh, gotta love the smell of diff fluid.
Trade Joe.
Oh, nothing. What was that white chick's joke? Like, your mama's so old, she breastfeed us powder. Alright, I'm learning as we go here. You said this was a really tall gear,
Yes.
but this isn't stock, is it?
No, I think this is
Oh,
stock.
it is stock.
This is a GM part number. Usually, most gear sets on GM, the last three numbers are the ratio. But they give us the pinion tooth count and the ring gear tooth count. So you take the ring gear tooth count, divide it by the pinion tooth count. Generally, you get the gear ratio, which is 278. Really freaking tall.
So by tall, you mean like in an eighth mile, I'd probably be going like 40 miles per hour.
So like, you know, in the mid 60s, you could buy like a drag pack car, right? Usually came with like 373s or 410s. You could probably drive this car like 100 miles an hour to cruise with one finger on the wheel down the freeway, and I think it'd just be like,
Alright, so we're swapping that out. So I've been talking to Quick Performance because we'll probably be working with them long term on Mimi, but they went ahead and sent us a ring and pinion to swap and a master assembly kit. So installation kit, one of the two, but take a look at this. So here's the master installation kit, and then we also have the ring and pinion. I will unbox this right now for you guys to see. So ring and pinion, pretty straightforward. This is, to get technical, a thick cut 456. Ready to rock and roll? These are reversed, so it feels like awkward. So diff is assembled and put back in Mimi. I am watching Sandy basically shim it himself and check backlash by ear and by feel. The kit actually came with some cool paint in order to visually see where she's sitting pretty. Learning a lot tonight.
My two-way is pretty loud and it really doesn't bother me at all.
Have you driven the two-way yet?
Drive the out of it now. This thing rocks.
Who would have thought that all it took was a two-way in order to rip the out of that car?
It's a blast.
So we are shimming this diff, and looking at the paint marks, we realize that it's a little toe heavy. So we are removing one from the pinion. We're purely just taking a shim away from the pinion. And yeah, so now we're gonna put everything back together. All right, so we got that taken care of. We removed the shim and the pinion. Sandy's hammering it in. Says it requires a special touch. Then we're ready to weld it. So this is the special touch. So I'm a little distracted right now, and it's because someone came to pay a visit.
Hey guys, Chrisfix here with Amelia. What is going on?
Hey, how's it going?
So what are we working on today?
Today we were working on Mimi, my grandma drag build. We got some new wheels and tires. We're swapping the ring and pinion. We are welding the diff and getting ready for our first drag race.
All right, so let's get started. This diff's looking good. It's
Yeah?
kinda empty in here. I do see a bearing though.
Oh, well, there we go. That should hold, right?
Yeah. Zero wheel drive.
We're talking and breaking in the gears right now. Usually you're supposed to do 25 miles. We're gonna be doing an 1/8 mile. I think it's good. The trend's already blue. Assuming that we can just get a base time, that's really all I want on this. So the ring and pinion gears are in. It's shimmed correctly. Everything is ready to go. And Sandy is going to weld the diff. The number one question that I know you guys are thinking right now is, why aren't I doing it? Well, I don't like to MIG weld. I'm too scared of getting slag in my high tops. I like to TIG weld. This isn't my forte. I've done it once and I can say I've done it, but I don't want to do it again. Okay, I'm thinking about doing this actually, but since it's a contaminated surface, is it gonna spray a lot?
Probably. Especially at first until it all kind of burns off. It's gonna stink, be smelly.
All right, maybe I'll just chime in at the very end. All right, I'm doing it. No one was forcing me to. I talked myself into this. I'm so scared. I hate MIG welding so much.
You like planning your assault there?
Wait, I'm scared. All right. Not good. It's getting better.
Why don't you just hit it, dude? Send it.
Which one is it? Top?
Bottom left one.
That does look good.
Yeah. The first time I just wasn't penetrating anything. So better. I feel confident that if I kept going, I could do all four, but I just need to get over my fear of slagging my high tops. I literally duct taped my shoes, you guys. The one Sandy did all looked great. If you guys remember for the S14, I had a little plate cut out with the little teeth. I put it there and welded the plate. This does the job just as well.
So the question is like, what's gonna break?
Well, the train's already broke. So what do we think's gonna break next?
I think the pinion. I think the pinion's gonna snap.
No, I don't think it's got that much power to do that. The 2 seconds that I did MIG weld, I will say I did thoroughly enjoy that. I need to get over my fear though. I wonder if that would have anything to do with metal shavings. All right, drive shaft is installed. Up next, rotors. On brakes, I guess. There we go. Getting used to working on these old cars.
Yeah, pump it up. Pump faster, pump it up. Pump it up.
And here comes the copyright.
Pump it up.
Done. There we go.
Easy enough.
There we go. I'll grab it. So let me ask you a question.
Yes.
You're all about safety.
Yes.
Do you wear earplugs?
Yes.
Do you really?
I do.
I feel like I'm losing my hearing over this.
Impact guns are really loud.
Yeah. All right, just wondering.
Yep, I was gonna say something, but I did the glasses, which is good enough, because you're using also chrome sockets.
Yeah. This.
So, but I just, yeah.
Because it takes one time to lose an eye, or lose a finger, or lose a hearing, or lose something, and then...
Safety first, guys.
Yeah.
Don't follow my lead. I've made it this far in life. I've lost a lot of teeth, actually. I don't have hearing out of this ear, and this one's starting to get worse.
I wonder which one.
We go.
Just lower the car down.
I get my workout in.
All right, we're getting shit about these spacers right now. I see no problem with them because it's not using an additional stud. Like, it doesn't have studs of its own. The ones that make me nervous are when it's a spacer that goes on to the studs and then has studs of its own, because those I feel like would snap.
I've gone off the track at 90 miles an hour sideways.
With those on?
Yeah, 2-inch.
Oh, really?
In the front and 1 inch in the back, and it's been fine.
Yeah, because I drilled mine out and just got
2
extended
years
studs.
of drifting. You just need to use high quality ones. Don't get the Chinese junk.
Right.
But
man, I like to save that extra couple dollars. Yeah, these are temporary. Chris would like to remind you guys too, always torque your wheels.
Always torque them down. That way, when you're on the side of the road, you'll thank yourself later that it actually comes off.
Or when a wheel comes off on the drag strip.
Exactly.
We're gonna drown him in paint.
Spider! Die, spider! Yeah, this looks great.
Oh, they'll get polished.
They will, because it's a lifestyle. Oh, I never hooked up the bottle. Well, we'll install the bottle tomorrow. I think that's pretty much a wrap for today. We got a lot done. I'm very happy with the progress that's being made. And I'm also very happy that we now have a date set in the books for the drag race.
All right, give it a rip.
Do a burnout. We don't believe it's welded. Oh, that wasn't good. That is. I don't know. The back wasn't spinning.
I'll see you in the morning. Thank you kindly. Arigato. I didn't say goodbye to the guys. I don't know. I just didn't film it, but I wanted to say a huge thank you to Chris for coming out. Chrisfix, you are a good friend. You are a good human. And if you guys do not subscribe to his channel, you are missing out because he is probably one of the best YouTubers out there. I also want to give a huge thank you to Sean. You are great at holding lights. Just kidding. And also Sandy, you guys, if you do not follow Sheer Performance, go ahead and follow them now. If you're located in the Orange County area, go to them, friend of your American muscle needs. They will do clutch jobs. They do just about anything. And if you want long-term projects, I'm sure they'll talk to you about that as well. Sandy, you rocked it out. Today was something that was a little bit outside of my comfort zone, and I learned a lot from working with you, so thank you. I'm really excited to take Mimi on the 8th mile. Keep wanting to say quarter mile. I may or may not get a diaper just in case the car decides to kind of grenade itself. My goal here is not to blow the engine at my first drag pass. I do not want to be that person who spills oil. You know, I'm new to the scene. I'm just trying to go out there and do my thing. It won't blow this time, but I'm serious about trying to blow it eventually. This is just to get a pass, to get a good baseline so we know what we're starting at. I'm gonna get some sleep. I gotta be back at the shop in a few hours, and tomorrow's gonna be a fun day. Tomorrow's probably one of the last prep days we're gonna have before we go take her on a pass. So if you guys don't subscribe to my channel, go ahead and do that, and yeah, drop a comment, let me know what you guys think. And merch will be dropping soon, I promise you. You guys saw the Ecrew hat, we got stuff rolling in, and I'm really excited to share that with you, so stay tuned. Give it about, I'd say, a week or two, and I'll be dropping dates for the drop. Ecrew, we out here with love. Bye. Hey guys, I also just want to make one quick little comment. Chrisfix was talking a lot about safety today. I am the wrong role model for that. He is 100% correct. Take care of yourself, you know, wear goggles, wear gloves, wear ear protection, wear respirators, anything and everything. I fully support that. I just don't do it myself, and I have no good reason, and I'm going to suffer those consequences in a few years to come. So take care of yourselves. I am going to make an effort at taking better care of myself, even if they're not the best eye protection glasses. I'll start wearing some glasses. Thank you, Chris.
Don't try this at home, kid. Don't try this at home, kids. You're gonna get really freaking high.